Today we start with the wrapper classes. Okay, the wrapper classes is a Java programming language which is manipulate the primitive data element. Okay, for manipulating the primitive data element at object, we are using wrapper class. Each Java primitive data type has corresponding wrapper class. Like here we define wrapper class means what? माने आमर जो प्रीडिफाइंड डाटा टाइप थी ताकू आमे ऑब्जेक्ट रे कन्वर्ट करियो तो आईएनटी पी आईएनटी इक्वल्स टू 420. नाउ we convert this predefined data type to a object. Then when you convert the predefined data type into a object, it is called as the boxing. Now again, when you convert this object into the predefined data element, it is called as the unboxing. Okay, one is boxing means when you convert the predefined data type into a object is called as the boxing, and when you convert the object into the predefined data type is called as the unboxing. Okay, तो यहाँ हूँ आम प्रीडिफाइंड डाटा टाइप ताको मो ऑब्जेक्ट रे कन्वर्ट कली अगेन ऑब्जेक्ट को मो प्रीडिफाइंड डाटा टाइप रे कन्वर्ट कली आ को आजो अनबॉक्सिंग दैट इज आईएनटी वैल्यू. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट डॉट आईएनटी वैल्यू माने ऑब्जेक्ट को मो अगेन प्रीडिफाइंड डाटा टाइप रे कन्वर्ट करिया पे मो यूज कली कोन ऑब्जेक्ट डॉट आईएनटी वैल्यू. बुझियला आत्मज्योति दिशा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then another concept is called as the auto boxing. Auto boxing feature enable you to assign the value and retrieve the primitive type without need for a wrapper class. The int pint equals to 420, integer equals to wint equals to pint means we convert the integer value into a object. When we convert the integer value into a object, it is called as the auto boxing. Again, when you convert the object into the predefined data type, it is called as the auto unboxing. Auto unboxing kahi kuhajibo na, here we are not using any kind of new keyword. We are not using any kind of new keyword. Here we directly store the value pint equals to wint, then wint equals to p2. It is called as the auto boxing. Now I will show you the wrapper classes. What are the wrapper classes is present? this one. So what is wrapper class? See that. One is we're using boolean. For boolean we're using boolean. For char we're using character. For byte it is a primitive data element. It was a predefined data type. It is converted to boolean. For char it is converted to the character. For byte it is byte. For short, small short, it is capital short. Int wrapper class is integer. For long it is capital long. For float it is capital float. For double it is double. Okay, so now we are creating here int a is equals to 20, integer I, integer dot value of a. Okay, ଏବେ ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କରିବି ଏଇଟା ବୁଝିଗଲା ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ପ୍ରିଡିଫାଇନ୍ ଡାଟା ଟାଇପ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଓରିଏଣ୍ଟେସନ୍ କନସେପ୍ଟରେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ଆମର ପ୍ରିଡିଫାଇନ୍ ଡାଟା ଟାଇପ୍ଟାକୁ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟରେ ମାନୁପୁଲେସନ୍ କରାଯିବ ଫର୍ ବୁଲିଆନ୍ ଡାଟା ଟାଇପ୍ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ପ୍ରିଡିଫାଇନ୍ ଡାଟା ଟାଇପ୍ ର୍ୟାପର୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ହେଲା ବୁଲିଆନ୍ ଫର୍ କ୍ୟାର୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ଫର୍ ବାଇଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବାଇଟ୍ ଫର୍ ସର୍ଟ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସର୍ଟ ଫର୍ int it is integer for long it is long for float it is float for double it is double. Okay, ବୁଝିଲା
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये रहा केमती आम प्रिडिफाइंड डाटा टाइप रे कन्वर्ट करवा पब्लिक क्लास रैपर क्लास एग्जांपल 1. Okay, so I will show the program now. See there. int a equals to 20 integer I equals to new integer तो a भैल्यूटा मुझे स्टोर कली i रे तो int j equals to I dot int value माने एबे कौन कहले जो ऑब्जेक्ट रे जहाँ वैल्यू अच्छी ताको रिट्राइव करके जे रे स्टोर कली ओके तो एबे ए रो वैल्यू प्रिंट कले मते 20 देखेबो एबे देखो ऑब्जेक्ट रो पुनी वैल्यू आने के जे रे स्टोर करली जतले आई रो वैल्यू मु शो करिवि जोटा कि ऑब्जेक्ट रे स्टोर अछि सी भी 20 देखेबो आउ एगेन जतले अनबॉक्सिंग कला परे जो वैल्यू देखेबो सेटा भी 20 देखेबो बेस वैल्यू जोटा 20 सेटा फर्स्ट देखेला तापरे जतले बॉक्सिंग हबो ऑब्जेक्ट रे कन्वर्ट हबो सेतबे भी 20 देखेबो जतले अगेन ऑब्जेक्ट रो आने के प्रिमिटिव डाटा एलिमेंट रे स्टोर करबी देन अगेन तीनटा जगह केसेस रे से मते 20 20 20 करी देखेबो then execute java देखो base value is 20 after boxing the value is 20 after unboxing then value is 20 so in the three cases it is showing you 20 20 and 20 बुझेला हेलो दिशा आत्मज्योति बुझ पाइलो
Yes.
Yes, sir.
okay then I go for another example integer a equals to new integer 3 then now we convert the object रो पुणी आने के primitive data element रे store कर ले that is called as the boxing again मुझको unboxing करा एटा boxing and unboxing तापर से a value टाको पुणी आने के एटी unboxing कली j रे हमें एटा होची auto unboxing ने without any kind of function we are using auto unboxing Java C. So in the all the part it is showing you all the value. For A it is 3, for I it is 3, and for J it is 3. বুঝলা এটা?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so there is a wrapper class. Okay, then this part is over. Then now comes to the final class. Final class is what? The final keyword is used for the security reason. It is used to create a class that serve as a standard. It is implement the following restriction. You cannot subclass a final class. Okay, you cannot subclass a final class. You cannot override a final method. A final variable is a constant. All method and data member in a final class are implicitly final. Okay, the final keyword is used for security reason. It is used to create a class that serve as a standard. It implement the following restriction, like you cannot subclass a final class. Okay, अर्थ होचे मु जतरा गोटे क्लास को फाइनल डिफाइन करूचे ताको मु इनहेरिटेंस पास करि परिबि नहीं. You cannot override a final method. Like when you define a method as final, it cannot be used in child class. A final variable is a constant. Means when you define a variable as final, you cannot reinitialize it. And all the method and data member in a final class are implicitly final. When you define all the method and data member means when you define a class as a final, then all the function, all the variable that is defined inside a class, it becomes final. You can set a final variable once only, but that assignment can occur independently of the declaration. The final variable is set only once, but you can initialize it in any time. Final variable that is not initialized in its declaration, its initialization is delayed. माने आमे तर गोटे variable को final define करिवा, and the time of defining variable as final, if you are not initialize the value, then it is called as the blank final variable. गोटे variable को जदि आमे final define करिवा आउ सेही समय ताको जदि आमे initialization न करिवा को blank final को आजिवो. तो केमती देखो suppose final int a. So if I define final int a, so at the time of declaration, if I not initialize the value, it is called as the blank final variable. It is called as okay. It is called as the blank final variable. And where the blank final variable is initialized, the blank final variable is initialized in a constructor. A blank final local variable can be set at any time of method body. So when you define a blank final variable in a function, then it can be initialized anytime inside the function. Okay, so now I show you the program of final variable. तो ये देख ये प्रोग्राम टा अच्छी ये गोटे आम वेरिएबल डिफाइन कले क्लास बाइक 9 ये गोटे वेरिएबल आम क्लास बाइक 9 गोटे फंक्शन डिफाइन है आम कॉपी कर देख now I store the file see there I create a program here class bike 9 final int speed limit is 90 ओके थरे वेरिएबल टा इनिशियलाइजेशन है मु कौन कली ना फंक्शन भितर आउ थे जो वेरिएबल टा को रीइनिशियलाइजेशन करुच्ची एटा एरर शो करिवो see there it shows an error on the on which position this one because where initialize the value again so when you define a variable as final it cannot be reinitialized okay then next program final method the class bike here we define a function as final void run function if I use the same function in the Honda class then it shows an error because the run method we define as final when I define a run method as final again when I trying to reinitialize again I have to use here that it is showing you an error okay बुझेला एटा आम जदि गोटे फंक्शन को फाइनल डिफाइन करुचे एगेन जदि आम रीइनिशियलाइजेशन करवा माने अगेन यूज करिया कोठी ना चाइल्ड क्लास रे एटा मते एरर शो करियो सो नाउ there is bike. Your main method is present in Honda. I save the file. See there. It shows an error in the case of void run because when you define a function as final, if you want to use it again in the child class, it shows an error. बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So in the next class, I will go ahead. आप और program तक Okay. चलो. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Node
पठाई देवी.
WhatsApp ଟା sir
कौन कहला? मते कॉल करियो सुबुनी तम आवाज कटु.
Good night. आज्ञा sir.